You can expect a lot from the 2020 Jeep Renegade.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, variably intermittent wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.